Hello guys, Dr. Hasbullah here, and I'm preparing this video specifically to welcome everyone to our online fluid mechanics course. I know that some of us could be having a hard time right now because of this pandemic, but I will assure you that I will do everything in my capability in order to deliver the subject to you so that you can understand it very well. If you must know, it usually takes me about 5 hours to produce 1 hour of online content for you guys. So my only request to you is that you match my effort so that I can deliver the subject to you very effectively and that you can learn as much as you can in order to understand more about fluid mechanics. So the advantage of this online video, even though it takes a lot of effort, is that you can access the video at any time, at anywhere, and using any device, and you can go through it as many times as you like. Even later when you have graduated and work in the industry, these videos are still relevant and you can refer to it anytime. So I hope you take full advantage of this online class and do your best to learn the subject. Now I would like to introduce to you a few chapters that we are going to learn throughout this course. So in general, we will cover 5 topics in the span of 14 weeks. So topic number 1 is quite simple, which is the introduction to fluid mechanics. This is where I reintroduce you to dimensions and units and fluid properties. So basically, I believe that you already know about 90% of this topic. So this is just like a refresher course for you in order to prepare you through the next topic. So the second topic is what we call fluid static. So what can you learn about the fluid that is not moving? Okay, and that is chapter number 2. For chapter number 3, we're going to transition into the moving fluid. So moving fluids will obey a few laws. Okay, we call it fundamental laws. And in chapter 3, we're going to learn how to derive this equation in the integral form. Chapter 4 is called dimensional analysis, and finally chapter 5 is where you study the flow in pipe. And to make things easy and simple for you, I'm going to publish these videos online at a specific intervals, and I'm going to make each video short and simple, right? And most likely it will not exceed 30 minutes. So this makes it easy for you to focus and finish the videos once it's published. And my suggestion, and this is also what I do when I take another online course, so my advice to you is that for the first round, just go through the video very quickly. Okay, it doesn't matter whether you understand or not, it's just to prepare your brain to be focused the next time you go through it. And for the second time, you go through it in a very detailed manner, meaning that whatever I teach and whatever I write, I would encourage you to repeat it so that when we derive an equation, for example, you can follow it step by step. And at any point when you feel lost and you do not understand, just pause the video and go back to the point where you did not understand, and then you go through it over and over again, and finally you will understand it. And in a very rare case that you couldn't understand, you still couldn't understand after you watch the video, you are welcome to drop a comment below, state the timestamp, for example at 2 minutes and 30 seconds. You have no idea what I was talking about, so post your comment there and I will get back to you. If the questions is so complicated and that everybody is asking the same thing, I might produce another video just to explain that. And if it's very simple, then I'll just answer it over there. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. This is just a welcome video, and I hope that you are well and ready to proceed with our course. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.